How to set up Payoneer account, a tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, in today's video I will be talking to you about a platform called Payoneer. So Payoneer is actually a online platform that helps you send money across the world. So this is very good for freelancers like me. And what's good about Payoneer is that it is linked to different platforms like Upwork, eBay, Get the Images, Adobe, and the likes. So here with Payoneer, you can actually streamline global commerce to empower businesses to go beyond. Now let's try to sign in to our Payoneer account. So when you sign into your Payoneer account, it actually looks like this. So all you need to do is to input your email and your password. As for today's video, I am going to show you how you can create your own Payoneer account. So let's click on the sign up button right here. So when you click on the sign up button, the first thing that will welcome you is this one. So let's find the right account for your needs. So if you're a freelancer or online professional, remote outsourcing agency, e-commerce seller, BPO or KPO service provider, wholesale trader or B2B seller, IT consulting or digital service provider, or other. So you just need to click on the choice there. So as for me, I'm gonna go for the freelancer. Now let's find the right account for your needs. So here I am going to input less than $10,000. So then let's click on the register button right here. Now to get started, you will basically be routed in this section. So here you just need to select your type of business, whether you're an individual or a company. So for individuals, those are businesses that aren't registered. For company, if you're a sole proprietorship, corporation, or LLC. Now let's fill in the fields in English characters only. Okay, so you just need to fill out your full name, your last name, email address, and you need to re-enter your email address once again, and as well as your date of birth. So those are the things that you need to fill out in the first section of your sign up there. Now by the way guys, make sure that you have not created a Payoneer account yet, because if you are going to create a new Payoneer account, then there is a high chance or a high possibility that Payoneer would not be accepting your registration basically. Okay, when you have finalized everything, click on the next button. Now let's move on to our next process, which is to fill out our contact details. So here for the contact details, you just need to input your country, your street and number. If you have more details for your address, you can input that, your city or town, and your postal zip code. In this section as well, you just need to input your mobile phone number. And when you input your mobile phone number, there will be a verification that you need to continue to. Okay, now make sure that the fields are inputted in English characters only. So if you are living in some parts of Asia, for example, or if you do have your own language, then make sure that you do have like an English name, or you do know the English characters of your street address and the likes. Now let's fill out all the necessary fields. Alright, now let's input our phone number, and let's try to go through the verification process right here. So when you send the verification code, you only have 30 seconds to input it onto the field that is being required. After 30 seconds, if you have not resend the code, you can actually resend or send a new code onto your phone number. Now let's hit on next afterwards. So the next process that we're going to go through is our security process. So in this section, you just need to fill out these information. So here you already have your username, which is your email address. Now enter your password. Create a strong password as much as possible. With Payoneer, you just need to input like a 7 password with numbers and letters. And then here in the next part, you can actually also see the security questions. So you just need to click on the drop down and choose the security question that you would like to add onto your Payoneer account for security purposes as well. There. So for example, what town was your mother born in? And then you just need to answer that, input your answer in this field below. Now for ID details, so it actually depends on which country you do have. There are only 4 acceptable IDs in the country where I'm located, which is in the Philippines. So the reason why you need to provide an ID is that your identification. Okay, let's try to see on this one right here. Okay, so your identification documents will help us validate your information, ensuring that you are rightful account owner. These security measures we've put in place is also in line with the regulatory requirements as well. So there. Now here are some frequently asked questions as well once we have done our Payoneer. So how long does it take to approve your Payoneer registration? It typically takes 3 business days to approve a Payoneer account. Within this time frame, they will be checking and seeing if all the informations are all true. Now here, for the application, if you're curious why your application got denied, it's that because you need to take a look at the terms and condition. First is if you already have an account. I already mentioned that a while ago. So you're only allowed to have 1 account. 2 accounts are really rare. Country restrictions. So Payoneer only has 200 countries available. And if you had a previous Payoneer account that was blocked by the Payoneer, then most probably you would not be able to create or continue your registration process again. So if your account has not been approved in 3 business days, all you need to do is to contact their customer support or ask them, or just simply, email them why your application was denied or whether or not if it has been approved and the likes. So basically, that's how we can set up our Payoneer account. I hope that you find this video helpful, and thank you so much guys for watching.